Welcome back to another video here at 8-Speed Scat. This is not the video I ever wanted to make. The Scat Pack is totaled. I was not behind the wheel when this happened. My sister, thank God she's okay, was rear-ended by an F-350 towing a trailer while she was coming to a stop at a red light. The truck swerved at the last second and thankfully just hit her with the trailer, and it smashed the other side, which I'll show you here in a second. But yeah, let's take a look here. So thank God she's okay. No one was hurt in the accident, but yeah, just absolutely destroyed it here. You got all the rippling damage down the side, even the interior popped, all that type of stuff because it was hit so hard. Destroyed the rim, destroyed the tire. You can't quite see it too much, but when they picked it up on the lift underneath here, the control arm and the whole rear end was completely twisted. So and this frame right here is obviously bent. You can see the damage on the frame. So we don't know what we're gonna do fully here. Worst thing, I mean, we'll get another Scat Pack, but best case scenario, get some sort of Hellcat ordered. So yeah, we're gonna see. It's really sad, but I'm just happy everyone was okay. And yeah, it's just sad to see. I love this car. It's my favorite spec Scat Pack ever, so it's tough. Thanks for watching though, appreciate it.